Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Hyundai Elantra Sport. Under the hood we have a 1.4 liter i6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white. It looks great. You do have the Hyundai logo right there, as well as your halogen headlights right there, very bright, and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here we do have 15-inch rims with Komu brand tires. There's still lots of tread left on the tires, and the rims look very nice as well with the Hyundai badging. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back, we do have the Hyundai logo with the Elantra Sport there. And as long as we have our keys here, we can press the button and open it up just like that. Now back here we have lots and lots of room, very soft as well, so nothing getting scratched up back here. You can lift this up, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there if you did ever need it. And you can pull these guys, and you can fold the seats forward and get a little bit of extra storage. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have that button to open up the back. It does have a panic button on the other side, but as long as it's unlocked, let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out there. Get this guy to open it up, a handle here, and another little place to put your arm there. Some storage down here with a water bottle holder, and a very nice interior as well. It looks great, very comfortable, very soft, very nice. You do also have the control over your eco here. You have your in-cabin light control and your traction control, as well as right up here we have the controls over turning signals, high beams, and our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams all there as well. Okay, let's start the car up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have, 54,000, not too bad at all. Now we can change that around a little bit from that to we also have our trip A and B and our range, and our average liters per 100 kilometers, our average speed, our ET, and then back to there. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel here. You also have your volume up and down, the selector, mode, and mute. Your Bluetooth options here. You have your cruise control options here, and then you also have them right over here. This guy does change the mode and how it drives and whatnot, so you can switch between normal and sport mode as well as comfort mode. And then over here we do have our clock up here with the temperature, and we have our touch screen down here. So we have our CD player up there, radio, media. Now you do have in your radio, you have Sirius XM, FM, and AM. In your media, you can hook some stuff up through all sorts of different things. You can also load it straight onto there. If you did want, you can also hook your phone up. You got your mute up here, you have your scan, your setup, and this guy's volume up and down, as well as the power. You have the tuner there, your select, and your folder. Then down here in the climate control, we do have the heat and the cold here. We have our front and rear defrost, our AC, where it's going to blow out of, and our power. Let's turn that up a little bit. I'm very warm. You also have your seat warmers here, and then we can push this up just like this. And you got your aux cord plug-in, as well as your USB plug-in and some storage. Then we also just have this guy that is our gear shift. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. We also have our emergency brake. We have our cup holders and some storage just in there. And then over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it, as well as the control over the sunroof and a sunglass holder right there. Our sunroof is right there. It looks great, very nice. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you do have your handle here, control over your windows, a handle here, place to put your arm, as well as some storage down there. Very nice back here as well. Feels great, very soft, very squishy. Same material as the front. You can also fold this down, and you do have those cup holders. And then yeah, you can fold these seats forward as well from the back. There's our 1.4 liter i6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Hyundai Elantra Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.